Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use NanoClaw for beginners in a simple and practical way so you can get started without confusion. First, download or open NanoClaw on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access your AI agent tools. NanoClaw works as an intelligent assistant that can automate tasks, generate content, and help you complete workflows faster. Take a moment to explore the interface so you understand where everything is located. Now, to begin using it, look for the option to create a new task or agent. Tap on it, and you'll be asked to enter a prompt or instruction. This is where you tell NanoClaw what you want it to do. For example, you can ask it to write content, summarize information, or perform a specific action. The more clear and detailed your instruction is, the better results you'll get. Once you've entered your prompt, run the task and wait a few seconds for the AI to process it. After the result appears, review it carefully. You can edit the output, refine your prompt, or run the task again for improved results. NanoClaw often allows you to chain tasks together, meaning you can take one output and use it as input for another action. This is very useful for building workflows like creating content and then optimizing it step by step. Another important feature is automation. You can set up repeated tasks so NanoClaw performs actions automatically based on your instructions. For example, you can create an agent that generates daily ideas or processes information regularly without manual effort. Explore the Automation or Workflow section to set this up. NanoClaw may also include integrations with other tools or platforms. If available, connect your accounts so the AI can perform tasks more efficiently, like managing data or interacting with external services. Always review permissions before connecting anything to keep your account secure. As a beginner, focus on starting with simple prompts and gradually move to more advanced tasks. Experiment with different instructions to understand how the AI responds. If something doesn't work as expected, adjust your prompt instead of starting over completely. This will help you learn faster and get better results over time. Finally, make sure to save your important tasks and outputs so you can reuse them later. NanoClaw becomes more powerful as you build your own workflows and understand how to guide it properly. By following these steps, you can use NanoClaw efficiently and make your work faster, smarter, and more automated even as a beginner. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.